Hello guys, my name is Vista and today we're going to be talking about speed. Obviously you can see it on the screen there. We are going to be talking about speed. Okay, there are types of speed and things you should also need. And also I'm going to be giving you some examples and stuff you should need and how to animate speed easily for beginners, because this animation is entirely for beginners and I'm not doing anything for anybody else. Okay, let's continue. I'm tired of talking. Come on, let's go to the fun part. Okay. Um, for speed, there are three types. There are the constant speed, slow in, and slow out. Constant speed is the type of speed that keeps moving in a fixed speed or fixed acceleration, and there is no acceleration involved. While slow in is when acceleration is being reduced so that you can be able to the object can either stop or start going slowly. Maybe it was going fast before, now it's trying to get slow. Now slow out is when an animation is from getting to a starting from a normal speed or just in a position and start moving, then suddenly it just gets faster and faster and faster. That is what slow out means. It's also giving other names like slow out, ease out, speed out, anything. Slow in is also giving names like slow in, easing. You can be able to just know that they are all the same. Now, this is an animation of a character trying to give a punch. Now, I give it a little bit of slow out because animation with slow out is always cool. Now, he starts with very slow punches, three slow punches, then immediately he gives the final blow, which makes it become like this. Obviously, you can see it, right? Now, this one is an animation of a car doing both a slow in and a slow out. So this is how it is. Now you can already see the bump of the car here. Now the car keeps moving. This means that the car is really fast, really fast. Now it's gonna be coming down slowly, slowly until it gets to a spot where it has to stop. Then the animation becomes like this. Okay, now you understand that. If you don't, please comment because I also teach. Now you guys notice how the car stopped at a fixed point. Now for the car to move forward, accelerating. Now the car moves like this. Obviously, you can be able to see that I also transform the car front immediately. Then later, I started making it move forward. At this point, when it started moving forward, you guys can see it, right? It started moving forward. Then I started putting some flashback at the back. It's something that makes it look like, yeah, this thing is moving fast like a rocket, shooting off into space. You guys should understand the type of thing, right? Maybe one day I'll animate a rocket for you guys for you to understand more. Okay, now that I add these flashes, then I'm gonna be then this is now the car behind and it moves in a very fast way. Now the boat looks like this: back, forward. Then this is also one animation. Now, this is other thing I want to tell you. This speed can come in different ways. This way is called the lunar way. Why the other type of way is this one? I'm not sure what to call it, but I'll call it the quadratic way, or the arithmetic way, or the I'll just call it the arc way. ARC way, arc way. Finish. I don't have time. The arc way, arc way. Now this way is pretty easy. Now See how the ball is moving? You can see that, right? You can see how the ball is moving. Now, this is the arc way of animating a bouncing ball. I should reduce this opacity a little bit, so that you guys can be able to see what I'm talking about. Okay, now you guys can be able to see this ball up here, right? Or should I color it? For you guys say, let me color it. Sorry, I didn't know where I was touching. Obviously, you can see that this place have more lines, so which means it is gonna be slower up there. Then this side have less lines, so which means it's gonna be faster here. So that is why I kind of put a stretch at this place. Then I'm coming back to a squish here because it has to squish for it to get faster again to do another turn, which then look like this. Sorry, my onion skin is not on, but you guys will understand, right? Now, now this isn't really hard. I'm just putting colors in it. Now, obviously you're seeing it doing another squishy, and at this point too, it also has to stretch because it's already going very fast. It's when it reaches the middle of the air that it has to go slowly down. Then, as it comes down squishing, it goes up again fast. Then, as it goes up, it comes normal again. Then comes down fast. Then that's all. The arcway. So now you guys understand this one and this one. Now you can be able to use it in the animation of many. Now you can be able to use it in the animation of many. And you can be able to, oh please subscribe, because if you're not subscribing to this channel, I swear you're missing a lot. Now you can be able to put it in the animation of a human being, like this one that I'm using the arcway so that it can be able to look like this, like a fusion of Goku. Then comes like this, then fusion. Then obviously you can be able to see the arcway, and you can see that it's not really hard. It's not even hard at all. If you're thinking it's hard, which means you're not seeing it very well. Oh, sorry, mistake. If you're thinking it's hard, which means you're not seeing it very well. Now you can see how easy it looks, right? Then it touches this magical hand that I don't even know where it's coming from, and as it touches, it becomes this super powerful guy. Please don't hurt me. Now you guys can be able to see how I'm using the arcway on a normal human being. Now now that I've already showed you how to use the linear way on a human being and a non-living object, and I've already shown you how to use the airway on a human and a non-living object, I think my tutorial here is done. But before I go, for the people that I teach, I told them to do a backflip in the tutorial. I teach how to animate in Facebook, so I'm gonna be doing the tutorial of the backflip right now. Okay, back flip. Great. Now I just put this, duplicate this, add one more layer. Please, if you're watching, please subscribe. now I just copy this guy and paste it here on my onion screen. Then, sorry, a little bit of problem. Then bring this down. If you guys already know how to do a backflip, like in real life, you guys can please send me a video of a backflip. Please, I really need it. Okay, you guys already seen it, and stopping this video for now.